Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can create a QR code in Excel for free using these two easy steps. Well, you won't be able to just make QR codes, but you'll also be able to read the QR codes. See, you can just use your real-time front camera to read QR codes, and you can get the information here. And you'll also be able to save the QR codes like this. The QR codes can be of any site or any link or whatever text you want, and you will be able to determine or set your own sizes and the quality too. So the first step you would have to do is click on this file option over here. In here, just click on this get add-ins. Add-ins are the third-party softwares with which you can integrate it inside your Microsoft Excel, which will help you to utilize the full Excel to the full efficiency. This is how the store would look like. And here, just search for QR. And if you just press enter, you find a lot of things. And the two best softwares which I came across is going to be QR for Office. It has 21 reviews and it has a 4-star rating. And another one is QR code tracker. I'll show you both and I'll let you decide what you should choose. So you just click on this add, then the add-in would be added to your software. The next thing you'd have to do is come to your home panel. In here, you would find this add-ins option. Just click on this and here you would find your add-ins. First of all, I'm going to show you guys QR for Office. So this is how it would look like. Here you can just choose any of the link. For example, I'm just going to set a QR code, generate a QR code for this website. You can choose the color to, let me choose it to be blue. See, this is how it would look. I'm going to choose the standard color, which is white and black. And here we can just choose the size. The size would vary depending on the pixel size. Just remember the QR code size is going to be a square, so you can choose it. Here there are 4 error correction options. Low would means a lesser error correction. Let me show it to you more clearly. So this is the QR code, right? I'll just zoom it a bit. So let's say this is the QR code. If you just choose low, see how the things change. I recommend you guys to use the higher error correction because it would be more good or best. So what you'd have to do is just choose the Excel cell and you just have to click on this insert. That's it. In the specific cell, this image would have been inserted. Now in order to save this, you can just directly right click on it and you can just save image or copy image, or you can just right click on this and save as picture or do all those things which you need. Now the second option or add-in which I'm going to show is going to be QR code tracker. So QR code tracker operates differently than the QR for Office add-in. So using the QR code tracker, you'd be able to do two things. One is to scan the QR code and one is to generate QR code. So for generating QR codes and QR code tracker, we would need to first insert a link. Let's just type this link over here. Now in the cell, I have my website's link. Now I'm just going to move to my cell and I'm just going to click on the generate QR. Now we can just choose the size. I'm going to choose 250 into 250. Now I'm going to generate QR. That's it. In the specific area where you had the link, that this image would be generated. See, this would basically come in the quartile error deviation, so it's fine. So this is how you actually generate QR codes. You may notice that the customization between the, if just focusing on generating QR codes, then the customization is more in the QR for Office add-on. But if you need both options, that is to generate QR and to scan QR, then I would recommend you guys use the QR code tracker. But if you are just focusing on generating QR codes, then you can simply use the QR for Office add-in. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button, YouTube subscribe button, if you want more such videos. Well, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.